We have a little tripod. This is from TELESIN as well. This thing's really cool. A MagSafe one. And it also, you can kind of feel it clicking in place a little bit. So, you know, it's like level. It's got the ability to angle it. And so now you have a selfie stick that's pretty long. So if you're doing like, you're vlogging with your front facing camera, you can easily get a cool shot right there. It's up high. It also has a remote control that's removable, so you can connect this to your phone via Bluetooth and use this as a shutter button. Just take those pictures, and or you know, it could stay on there, and like you can, if you're holding out like this, you can press to start recording or take your photos. Like get a group of people together, hold this out, press it, takes the photo. So much easier than just using your hand and having that awkward, warped look to it. So as a tripod, it's great, works great. Sitting there, no problems. And then yeah, you can just angle this around. So that way, with that, you can film vertical or horizontal as you please, because it is just, you can move it how you want. Also, you know what? It also is really compact. And I like this part too, because I feel like you had a bag, you could just like take this around the strap and just like let it sit there. Yeah, very compact, easy to travel, very lightweight as well. So